So here's how to copy and paste on ChatGPT. First of all, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. And as you can see, I'm already here. You can just go to chatgpt.com. Once you're here, you will get to see an interface like this. If you're logged in, you will see your profile on the bottom left. And here, you will see a plus icon. And if you click on it, you will get to see all of these options. You can also use the voice options on the right. So for now, let's type in an example prompt. You can type in anything that you want. I'll just put in a random prompt. After that, click on Submit or press Enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT is now giving the response. Wait for it to get done. So after it's done, you can select any part of the text that you want. Just click and drag your cursor over it. After that, right-click on it and click on Copy. You can also press Ctrl+C at the same time. Now, just go to the text box again and right-click on it, then select Paste. This way, you can select and copy and paste anything that you want on ChatGPT. And that's it. That is exactly how to copy and paste on ChatGPT.